What is up, guys? Welcome back to another legendary race day over here on Horsepower Speedway. Now, last week we saw some good races and we saw Scott's custom Maverick move his way up the tower in the second position. Now, Kingnut's still sitting on the top, but we have some new drivers going up against the tower today. But we all have to go through Fordsman 84's 3-window coupe, and the first driver up is Sammy, back in a new car. This is the Alien, weighing in at 56 grams. Now, this is a full metal cast, and it does have the 3-spoke wheels on it, but let's see how fast it can go and see if we can break past the gatekeeper. So here's the lineup, guys. You have Kingnut driving the Ford GT90, still currently in the top spot as the king of the tower. Moving down, you have the second position driven by Scott is the custom Ford Maverick, which showed last week to be very, very fast on the track. In third position, you have Rapid Nismo driving the black Honda Civic SI in third. And then in fourth, you have the Mustang Hunter in his Boss 302. Cade is still holding strong in fifth position in his blue SVO with the red lines. And then in the final sixth position, you have Scott over at Low 96 HB in the blue Honda Civic SI. Now let's get the races going, guys. We have the first runner-up, which is Sammy, going up against Wade in the 3-window coupe. Now, once all that is set, we have a new driver coming to the track. His first time at Horsepower Speedway. It is Jay's Diecast creation, driving this beautiful red 75th anniversary circle tracker. Now let's see how fast this Pro Stock car is in comparison. But we're gonna get the first race going. Alien versus the 3-window coupe. So let's get the track clear and the flag set. Let's get race one going. Here we go, race number one. Sammy is really trying to get his way back onto the tower after last week in his Impavado failed to stay on the tower. So let's get this first race going. It's gonna be Fordsman 84 in the 3-window coupe in lane 1. Sammy and the Alien in lane 2. So let's get this going. The flag is set, the track is clear. Let's go ahead and get this going in 3, 2, 1. Nice. Sammy had a good lead on that first race. Now let's see if he can eliminate Wade from the tower completely in this second run. So let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. Nicely done. Sammy went through the gatekeeper. Now he can officially start going through the tower, see how far he can make it up. But the first race is going to be Scott in the blue SI. All right, guys, the flag is set. The track is clear. We have Scott from Low 96 HB in lane 1 and Sammy in the Alien in lane 2. Now let's see how fast this Alien car is in 3, 2, 1. That Alien car driven by Sammy is pretty quick, so that Civic might just get eliminated and knocked off the tower completely if he doesn't win this second race. So let's get it going. The track is clear, the flag is set. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Scott gets knocked down into the gatekeeper's position. Sammy made his way onto the tower, and now he's going to be going up against Cade in the SVO. Alright, guys, here we go. The flag is set and the track is clear. We have Cade in the SVO in lane 1 and Sammy in the Alien in lane 2. Now, the Alien is 55 grams, 1 gram heavier than the SVO, weighing in at 54 grams. Now, let's see if that power to weight ratio comes in handy. The track is clear and the flag is set. Let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. Talk about a solid race between the Alien and the SVO. Cade might actually have the chance to be eliminated from the 5th position down to the last on the tower if he does not win this one. So the track is clear, the flag is set. Let's see this race in 3, 2, 1. So Cade gets dropped into the final position of the tower. Now Sammy is in 5th, going up for the 4th position, challenging the Mustang Hunter in the Boss 302. Now let's get the track ready and the flag set, and let's get this race going. Here we go, race number 1 against the Mustang Hunter in lane 1 in the Boss 302. And Sammy and his Alien in lane 2. Now he is 2 grams less than the Mustang Hunter, so let's see if that weight for the Boss 302 helps in its advantage. So the flag is set, the track is clear. Let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. Talk about losing by inches. The 302 just did not have the power on the straightaway to take on the Alien. So if he loses this one, he gets knocked down into the 5th position. And Sammy moves on. So let's get this race going. The track is clear, the flag is set. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Mustang Hunter gets knocked down into the 5th position. Sammy's now in 4th, and he's going up against Rapid in the Honda Civic SI. Alright guys, here we go. The flag is set and the track is clear. Rapid in lane 1, driving the black Civic SI. Sammy's in lane 2. Now the Civic is a lot lighter. Let's see if it works in its advantage. Let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. Talk about a solid race. Now Rapid might be knocked out of the 3rd position, moving into 4th spot. Now Sammy is moving up very well, and he will be going up against the Ford Maverick if he wins this one. Now let's get this going. The track is clear, the flag is set. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. I never thought I would see Rapid get dropped out of his top 3 position. Now he is sitting in 4th. Sammy moves up into 3rd spot. Now he has the chance to go up against Scott in the Ford Maverick. Here we go, guys. We saw last week Scott's custom Ford Maverick just was going through the tower, landing him in the 2nd position. Now let's see if Sammy can take that spot and have the chance to go up against the king of the tower, who is currently driving the Ford GT90, known as King Nut. So the track is clear and the flag is set. Let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. Oh man, talk about close to the top. Now if this Maverick loses, Sammy actually has a chance to go up against King Nut to try to take over that top spot as king of the tower. So the track is clear, the flag is set. Let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. Oh man, talk about not letting Sammy have it easy. Now the Ford Maverick just won that one, and if he wins, he stays in spot 2, but if Sammy takes this one, he has the chance to go up against King Nut. So the flag is set and the track is clear. Let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. And here we have it, guys. Scott moved down into 3rd position. Sammy is now in 2nd, meaning he can challenge King Nut for the top spot. So let's get the track clear and the flag set. Let's get this race going. Alright guys, here we go. Sammy in lane 2 in the Alien, going up against the current king of the tower in the Ford GT90, King Nut. So let's see how this race goes. We are ready, the track is clear, and the flag is set. Let's get this first race going in 3, 2, 1. Oh man, the Ford GT90 doing what it does best on that top end. Just pulled enough to win that first race. So let's see if King Nut has what it takes to take over and stay king of the tower. So let's get this race going. The track is clear and the flag is set. Let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. There we have it. Sammy could not take the top spot from King Nut, so King Nut stays king of the tower. But here we go. We have Sammy in 2nd position in the Alien car, and we have Scott in the Custom Maverick sitting in 3rd, whereas Rapid moved down into 4th position, and then Mustang Hunter is now in 5th in the Boss 302, where Cade is moved to the final spot of the tower. Now moving on, we have the Gatekeeper, which is low 96 HB in the Civic. Now he has to go up against a new driver on the track, which is Jay's Diecast creation, driving the 75th anniversary Circle Tracker. So the track is clear, the flag is set. Let's see how this car goes against the Civic. Here we go, we got JDC driving the red 75th Circle Tracker in lane 2, and Scott from Low 96 HB in the Civic Si in lane 1. Now this is the gatekeeper. We're gonna see if he can keep JDC from reaching the tower. So the track is clear, the flag is set. Let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. Talk about a solid win for JDC in the 75th Circle Tracker. Now if he knocks out Scott, that means he is no longer the gatekeeper and he can officially go to the tower and challenge the race. So the track is clear, the flag is set. Let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. There we go. JDC is the new gatekeeper, giving him the chance to go up against the tower. Now he's going to be calling out Cade in the SVO. All right, here we go. The flag is set and the track is clear. And now if JDC knocks out Cade, Cade is no longer into the tower, but he will be the new gatekeeper if he doesn't win this race. So let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. Oh man, that Circle Tracker is fast. JDC definitely brought a good contender. Now let's see how race 2 goes. The track is clear and the flag is set. Let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. Cade gets knocked out of the tower. He's still a contender being the gatekeeper, but now JDC made his way into the 6th position. Now he's going up against the Mustang Hunter. All right, here we go. The flag is set and the track is clear. The Mustang Hunter in lane 1, and JDC in lane 2. Now let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. JDC is not playing. He said move out the way to the Mustang Hunter. So let's get this race going. The track is clear and the flag is set. Let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. Mustang Hunter moves into 6th position. JDC is now in 5th, but he is calling out Rapid in the Civic Si. Let's get the track ready. All right, here we go. We have Rapid in the Civic Si in lane 1 and JDC in lane 2. Now this Circle Tracker is no joke. Let's see what it has. Track is clear and the flag is set. Let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, JDC is not playing. Rapid could be knocked into 5th position, letting JDC climb up the tower. Now the flag is set and the track is clear. Let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. JDC moves into 4th position. Now he is going up against Scott in the Ford Maverick. All right, guys, here we go. Scott in the Custom Maverick in lane 1 and JDC in his Circle Tracker. Now these are 2 fast cars, but is JDC fast enough to move past the Maverick and continue onto the tower? So the track is clear and the flag is set. Let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. Talk about a fast car driven by JDC. Now if he wins this, he goes into 3rd position and able to challenge Sammy for the 2nd spot. Now let's get this going. The track is clear, the flag is set. Let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. All right, Scott is definitely giving JDC a run for his money. Now he has to win this in order to keep his spot in the tower. But if he loses, then that means JDC moves on to race Sammy. So the track is clear, the flag is set. Let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. Solid races between the Maverick and the Circle Tracker, but now JDC has the chance to go up against Sammy for the 2nd spot. All right, guys, here we go. Sammy in the Alien in lane 1 and JDC in the Circle Tracker. He's trying to take over for that spot so he can go up against Kingnut. So the track is clear, the flag is set. Let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. Talk about running him down. JDC pulled him at the last bit. And if he wins this, he moves into 2nd position, being able to challenge Kingnut for the top spot. So the track is clear, the flag is set. Let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. lost by centimeters. But this is the final race. Let's see who's gonna win. Is it gonna be JDC taking over spot 2, or is it Sammy holding his position of the tower? So the track is clear, the flag is set. Let's get this going in 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, here we have it. King Nut is still currently the king of the tower. No one can bring a car fast enough to eliminate him, but they did get close. So Sammy is now in second position in the alien car, which brought JDC into the third position in this red circle tracker, moving Scott into fourth position in the custom Ford Maverick. Then you have Rapid Nismo in the black Civic SI holding fifth position, and the Mustang Hunter sitting last spot in sixth place on the tower. Now Cade is the new gatekeeper, so anyone coming to challenge the tower has to go through the SVO in order to race anyone on the tower. So solid lineup, some really fast cars, but we're trying to see who can eliminate the king of the tower, which hasn't been anybody so far. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up, and of course comment down below your thoughts of the races today and who you thought was going to win. Did you think it was going to be Sammy, or did you think that circle tracker driven by JDC was going to outperform all the spots? So that is all I got. Definitely appreciate you watching, and of course, until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.